how to allow or block Bixby to use smart home control on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on advanced features. After that, tap on Bixby at the top. Now we go down and then tap on use while locked. At the top here, make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn on Bixby use while locked. Then go down and tap on allow smart home control. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or to disable or to enable access to smart home control while you are on the lock screen. So here's when you use voice wake up, Bixby recognizes your voice and controls your SmartThings devices on the lock screen. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your Bixby settings, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.